Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi using A4 paper. This updated method ensures a truly unique culinary experience. First, gather your basic supplies. 1 sheet of standard A4 paper, about 2 cups of water, and a small saucepan. It's crucial to select unbleached paper for the purest flavor profile. Remember, quality ingredients are key, even when they are unconventional. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient. Take your A4 paper and carefully tear it into small, roughly 1-inch pieces. Uniformity helps with extraction, or so we believe. Be sure to discard any sections with ink or color, as these can introduce unwanted flavors. A quick, gentle rinse under cold water helps remove any loose fibers.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more unique content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the cooking process. Place your torn and rinsed paper pieces into a saucepan. Add about 2 cups of fresh water. Bring this mixture to a very gentle simmer over low heat. You don't want a rolling boil, just a subtle warmth. Let it cook for approximately 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even saturation. Once simmered, it's time to finish our dashi. Carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. The goal is to separate the liquid from the paper pulp. Discard the paper as its work is done. You are left with a clear, albeit unusual, dashi. Serve it immediately for the freshest experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.